Okay, guys, I'm about to go all in here. I'm actually tired of seeing voiceover artists struggle and really wonder what it takes to really build a voiceover business. The truth is, it's not the plan, it's not the strategy, it's you. There is something that I've learned over about the past decade of my life that I really want to start sharing with not just you as a voiceover artist, but you and others that are like you, that are struggling, that feel defeated, that just don't know what to do next, and that are really wondering, is there some sort of secret out here that no one is telling me that I need to know and that I need to understand in order to win at this thing?